back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious pumpkin pie. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa.
For all of your pumpkin pie puree, add an entire egg. Then follow by adding 3 egg yolks. It's okay if they're not perfect, just try your best. It can be pretty fun. I am clearly not the best at getting egg yolks. Add an entire can of condensed milk. Add pumpkin spice for delicious flavor. Some ground ginger. Ground cinnamon to give it a delicious taste. And of course, last but not least, a little bit of nutmeg. A pinch of salt to make all the flavors come into effect. Pour your entire mix into a pie shell. Don't worry if you didn't make your own dough. Nobody's going to judge you for that. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes.
And there we have it, a delicious pie. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys, till next time.